Systane Lubricant Eye Drop Gel for nighttime protection. Product details. Systane Lubricant Eye Gel offers the thickest gel formulation to coat the eye with a strong layer of dry eye symptom protection. Provides long-lasting, nighttime protection while you sleep. Available in 0.34 ounces tubes. Systane Lubricating Eye Gel provides soothing comfort, adds moisture, and leaves eyes feeling refreshed. The Systane family of products offers options for everyday use, intensive therapy and special use. Try Systane Ultra for high-performance relief, available in a preservative-free formula for sensitive eyes. Systane Balance is our clinical-strength intensive therapy that supports your own natural tears by restoring your lipid layer. You can purchase Systane Nighttime Protection Lubricating Eye Gel online or in-store at Walmart. Long-lasting relief from severe symptoms of dry eye. Nighttime protection works while you sleep. Lubricating Eye Gel from Systane, #1 doctor-recommended brand for dry eye symptom relief. Thickest gel formula forms a protective shield. Warning text. Warnings, for external use only. Do not use, if gel changes color or becomes cloudy, if you are sensitive to any ingredient in this product. When using this product, do not touch tip of container to any surface. Replace cap after using. Stop use and ask a doctor if you experience any of the following: eye pain, changes in vision, continued redness or irritation of the eye, condition worsens or persists for more than 72 hours.